Welcome. Previously, I explained briefly about easing animations with the Animate nodes. Here, I would like to show the differences between some of them and explain a little bit more about it. In this scene, I have one action that rotates my camera around the asset. I mapped only these three values and have a second action and simply resets my camera to the first position. So if I click here, you see how my camera slowly rotates the model. I will duplicate this node 3 times. The first one will be the linear interpolation with an in and out animation. The second one will be the same in and out animation, but I will select Quintic as the interpolation. And the last node will have the same interpolation, but only out animation. Comparing the original and first nodes, you see that there is not much of a difference. This is because the in and out animation add a smooth transition, but there is no strength. Now, if we play the second animation with Quintic interpolation, you can see that the animation starts slowly, then it gets faster and slows down in the end. The final animation, without easing, will start very quickly and slow down towards the end. As you can see here, this curve will make the animation feel smoother and more refined at the finish. Now, if I play both animations, you can see the clear difference between them. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you want more tips and tricks about animations. Thank you for watching.